Hello everyone. Some of y'all might remember this unit. This is a Carrier Tech 2000 silencer system. I believe this one is a straight cool and the rest of these are heat pumps. Son of a bitch. Oh man, it just shut off. This one is a 1999 38 YRA. Right next to it, we got a Carrier Comfort. And data sheet's gone on that one. Womp womp. Now I'd have to look back in my footage, but I believe that one right here, this brand new ICP, it was a 23 model, replaced a unit exactly identical to that. So yeah, what is the age on this old son of a bitch, and the label's gone on it. That's a 2015 Comfort. Here's the silencer system. It's a not a heat pump, or yeah, it is a heat pump. And I believe this thing just kicked on. This heat pump just kicked on. It's got a rather slow startup. I think the capacitor might be going bad, or has been going bad for a couple of years. Yep. Alrighty. I'm gonna go and get some pictures. Why won't my camera focus? I'm gonna go get some pictures now, and thank you for watching.